Well, I'm just giving Phoenix an experiment here just to see what he likes. And he totally likes crab meat. I found it on sale at Safeway. Want some more crab meat? More crab meat? You like crab, don't you? And these parrots are supposed to be mostly herbivorous. They're not really omnivores, but Bobby liked chicken for some reason. Um, I know Phoenix loves his juices, all kinds of juices. He's 6 months old. I'm just teaching him how to talk. I almost heard him say, "Hey, you," yesterday. Hey, you. Hey, you. Hey, you. You're 6 months old. That's one in human years. Right? Well, you got nothing to worry about. You got no natural predators here. You're safe in your cage. There's your cage. You got everything you need. Everything you need. Okay, so we got a crab apple, some crab, um, and potato and bean, and a chili, and an orange. Okay, what do you want? Tell me. Or are you full? No appetite? I know. You just like socialization. As we all do. Unfortunately, most of us just want to be alone. A sad state of affairs in a brave new world.